In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Jotform Prefill with Pipedrive. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Find the form you want to connect with Pipedrive, then click Edit Form to open it. At the top of the form builder, click the Publish tab. In the left-hand menu, select Prefill. Choose Pipedrive Prefill from the available options, then click Authenticate. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Pipedrive account and authorize the connection. After the connection is complete, choose whether you want to use people or organizations as your Pipedrive data source. Next, map your Pipedrive fields to the corresponding Jotform fields. Common fields like name and email are usually mapped automatically, but you can adjust them if needed. Click Save Settings to save the integration. Now, click Add New Prefill and search for the contact you want to use. Select the contact, then click Create to generate a prefilled form. You can choose whether recipients can edit the prefilled information or keep it read-only. To share the prefilled form, click the three-dot menu next to the generated item. You can either copy URL to share the link manually or choose Send Invitation to email the prefilled form directly to your contact. That's how to use Jotform Prefill with Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.